Oh, thank God we're home.
Can't believe we spent 3 months in that frozen hell.
Frozen. Frozen.
Can't believe we spent 3 months in that frozen hell. Your church group praying for my safety. The fact that I'm home safe does not prove that it worked. That logic is post hoc ergo propter hoc.
Logic. Logic.
That logic is post hoc ergo propter hoc. I won't forget your contributions.
Grace.
And of course, I can't mention you in my Nobel acceptance speech, but...
Acceptance. Acceptance.
Of course, I can't mention you in my Nobel acceptance speech, but... Okay, Sheldon, sit down. If there's going to be a theme, I should let you know that I don't...
Theme. Theme.
If there's going to be a theme, I should let you know that I don't...
He's speaking about it. For me, it was a bonding moment.
Bond. Bond.
It was a bonding moment.
Few weeks we were looking for magnetic monopoles and not finding anything, and you were acting like an...
Act. Act.
Finding anything, and you were acting like an... Finding anything, and you were acting like an obnoxious giant dictator.
I thought we were going to be gentle with him.
Gentle. Gentle.
I thought we were going to be gentle with him.
Spearhead?
We had to.
It was the only way to keep you from being such a huge Dickensian.
Huge. Huge.
Dickensian.
Did Leonard know about this? Leonard's my best friend in the world. Surely Leonard didn't know.
Surely. Surely.
Surely Leonard didn't know. Make a sound? It's a sound.
Sound. Sound.
It's a sound. I was making groundbreaking strides in science when, in fact, I was being fed false data at the hands of Wolowitz, Kuthar-Polly.
False. False.
Fed false data at the hands of Wolowitz, Kuthar-Polly.
Going to throw his Kindle outside, and when he went to get it, locked the door and let him freeze to death.
Freeze. Freeze.
And let him freeze to death.
That seems like a bit of an overreaction.
No, the overreaction was the plan to tie your limbs to...
Limb. Limb.
Oh, the overreaction was the plan to tie your limbs to 4 different sled dog teams and yell, mush! Look, we kept the original data.
Original. Original.
Look, we kept the original data.
I, in fact, believe it is a big deal.
Oh, that poor thing.
Yeah.
Poor. Poor.
Oh, that poor thing.
Yeah.
Did you just have the Nobel Prize in waitressing stolen from you?
Well, no. But when I was a senior...
Senior. Senior.
Well, no. But when I was a senior...
And on a different but not unrelated topic, based on your current efforts to buoy my spirits, do you truly believe that you were ever fit to be a...
Truly. Truly.
Do you truly believe that you were ever fit to be a...
Okay, you know what it's like? Remember the scene in the new Star Trek movie when Kirk has to take over the ship?
Ship. Ship.
Kirk has to take over the ship, so...
Hey, how's Sheldon doing?
Well, he came out of his room this morning wearing his Darth Vader helmet and tried to choke...
Helmet. Helmet.
Darth Vader helmet and tried to choke... Well, he came out of his room this morning wearing his Darth Vader helmet and tried to choke me to death with the Force, so I'd say...
Chop. Chop.
Choke me to death with the Force, so I'd say...
If I may abruptly change the subject, did you and Penny finally,
Howard.
Personally, I don't care, but my genitals...
Personally. Personally.
Personally, I don't care, but my genitals wanted me to ask.
Well, tell your genitals what I do with Penny is none of their business.
none, none.
He's none of their business.
Like the proverbial cheese, I stand alone, even while seated.
seat, seat,
Even while seated. You've done to me.
Hey, Koopa! Whether you attraction email, way to destroy your reputation.
Reputation, reputation.
Destroy your reputation.
Career trajectory has taken a minor detour.
Off a quiff.
cliff, cliff,
Quiff. Quiff.
My credibility may have been damaged.
Complete.
credibility, credibility,
Credibility may have been damaged.
Completely whacked.
But I would like to remind you that in science, there's no such thing as failure.
failure, failure,
There's no such thing as failure. But I would like to remind you that in science, there's no such thing as failure. There once was a man who referred to his prediction of a
Prediction, prediction.
There once was a man who referred to his prediction of a
It's a snowflake from the North Pole.
Are you serious?
serious, serious,
Are you serious?
He is. Sheldon went home to Texas. Yeah, no, I know he resigned.
resign, resign,
Yeah, no, I know he resigned.
By his hand we are all
fed.
fed, fed,
By his hand we are all
Fed.
friends.
They're not my friends.
All right. If you recall when you were little,
Recall, recall.
problems you had getting along with the neighbor kids.
It was different. They were threatened by my intelligence.
intelligence, intelligence,
They were threatened by my intelligence.
Will you please take that stupid hat off?
No, I want to blend in.
blend, blend,
No, I want to blend in.
There's no alcohol in this household. Stop talking like that and lose the hat.
hat, hat,
Like that and lose the hat. Like that and lose the hat.
Sorry. I'll take a diet Yoo-hoo if you have it.
diet, diet,
I'll take a diet Yoo-hoo if you have it.
You'll take
No, this is my home now. Thanks to you, my career is over. And I will spend.
career, career,
Thanks to you, my career is over. And I will spend to teach evolution to creationists.
You watch your mouth, Shelley. Everyone,
mouth, mouth,
you watch your mouth, Shelley. Everyone's entitled to their opinion.
Evolution isn't an opinion, it's fact.
And that is your opinion.
opinion, opinion,
And that is your opinion.
We were friends, and now we're more than friends. And we're whatever this is. But why label it, right? I mean,
label, label,
why label it, right? I mean,